Assalamu alaikum students, this is the first video of exercise 3.3 of chapter number 3 integration. Question number 1, integral minus 2x over under root 4 minus x square. Moving the denominator to the numerator, it can also be written as integral 4 minus x square raised to power negative 1 by 2 into negative 2x. As we can see that negative 2x is the derivative of 4 minus x square. So, integrating we get 4 minus x square raised to power 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 plus c, which can also be written as 2 under root 4 minus x square plus c. Moving on to part number 2, which is integral dx over x square plus 4x plus 30. Now, I will complete the square in the denominator by like this, integral dx over x square plus 4x. This term is categorized as a square, this is 2ab, and this term will be categorized as b square. So, I will add 4 and subtract 4 from this equation. Now, it can also be written as integral dx over this three terms will complete the square, which is x plus 2 whole square, and these two terms add up to 9. In next step we will write it like integral dx over x plus 2 whole square, and 9 can be written as 3 square. This completes the formula integral 1 over x square plus a square is equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus c. So, the answer would be 1 over 3, this one 1 over 3 tan inverse x plus 2, this term is as x plus 2 over 3 plus c. Moving on to question number 3, which is integral x square over 4 plus x square dx. As this is a improper fraction, so we will divide the numerator by the denominator. 4x square divided by x square, 4x square into 1 is equal to x square plus 4, x square term will be cancelled, so the remaining term is negative 4. So, this fraction can also be written as 1 minus 4 over 4 plus x square. Taking integrals separately, we get integral of 1 dx minus 4 is a constant, 4 integral dx over 4 can also be written as 2 square plus x square. Again, using the same formula, integral 1 over x square plus a square is equal to 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus c. The answer will be x minus 4 1 over 2 tan inverse x over 2 plus c, which can be further simplified as x minus 1 over 2 tan inverse x over 2 plus c. Question number 4, which is integral 1 over x ln x dx. Moving x to the numerator, we get integral 1 over x and ln x dx. As we know that the function is ln x and 1 over x is the derivative of ln x. So, using the formula inverse of function into derivative of function is equal to ln f of x plus c. So, this is our function, this is its derivative. Now, using this formula we can write the answer ln x plus c. Moving on to question number 5. In question number 5, our function is ex plus 3 and its derivative is ex. So, we are using the same formula as it is, inverse of function into derivative function is equal to ln f of x. So, its answer will be ln ex plus 3 plus c. Moving on to part number 6, which is integral x plus b over x square plus 2bx plus c raised to power 1 over 2 dx. As we can see that the derivative of this function x square, we have function x square plus 2bx plus c, its derivative is 2x plus 2b, As we can see, there is only x plus b, so multiplying and dividing by 2 we get 1 over 2 integral x square plus 2bx plus c raised to power 1 over minus 1 by 2 is into 2x plus b dx. Now we have the function and its derivative. Now 1 over 2 integral, it can also be written as x square plus 2bx plus c raised to power minus 1 by 2 into 2x plus 2b dx. Taking integral, we get 1 over 2 into x square plus 2bx plus c raised to power 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus c, which can also be written as under root x square plus 2bx plus c plus c. Part number 7, which is integral secant square x over under root tan x dx. As we know that function in this question, our function is tan x, its derivative is secant square x. So moving under root tan x to the numerator, we get integral tan x raised to power negative 1 by 2 into secant square x dx. Now using the formula, fx raised to power n into function's derivative is equal to f of x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. We get tan x 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus c, which can also be written as 2 under root tan x plus c.